Hello people. Hello YouTube. I got my 2080 here at my Kraken, but that's not what this video is about. This video, let me cut this ceiling fan off. I'm tired of this clanking. Hold on y'all, bear with me here. I gotta have to leaving that ceiling fan on in case y'all don't want that clanking noise. Well, there it is right there. That's the noise you heard. I cut it off now though. But now, the whole idea of this video is not about the Kraken, which I got on a 120 Crozair liquid cooler, but the whole point of this video, I'm gonna install a VGA fan hill adapter, which I ordered right here. I just got it today. This right here, Gilead, which I use Gilead thermopaste, so I feel I get a Gilead adapter. I can plug to my graphics card here, and I control the fan, the speed of it. It's not a big deal, but I really have that function to do that because plugging to the motherboard, it don't do anything. So at least I have the option to do that. So yeah, this is what I'm installing. I guess I'll pause the video and I get back with y'all when it's up and going. I can probably check the temperature and see does it make an effect on it, because I control the speed, whatnot. So I don't know. I'm not saying it will, but I just want to have the option to do that now, which I didn't have before. So that's the whole point of this video. Installing this, and I get back with y'all. All right, YouTube, here's the finished product. I just installed my VGA fan adapter for the graphics card, obviously. I just installed it, and everything seemed to be working just fine. Oh, also on my GPU there, the liquid cooler, I had a just a pull configuration, but you know, since I added the fan, you know, the GBA fan adapter for the graphics card to plug in there to control the fan speed from the because it's plugged to the motherboard instead of the motherboard. I decided, since I had a fan here left open, I figured I'd just add another fan in there, you know, and I guess I got me push-pull now. So instead of having just pull, now I got both. So yeah, so that's it. I got it installed. Got everything nice and tucked away down there. I don't know if y'all can, I got the wires pushed back. I don't know if y'all can see it. There's the fan adapter. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's it right here. The with the all the well, not that one, but it's the little black one back there behind this with my hand at. That's the VGA fan adapter I bought. I said I got it plugged into the graphics card up into it. No, y'all know how the for your stock fans, you know, where you plug your stock fans at. Yeah, I bought an adapter plug in there. So now instead of going by the motherboard to control the fans, which it don't do it no way, now I can definitely control the fan right here on a Kraken. Now I can control it now, you know, with the speeds now through the bias. Well, not through the bias. I mean, well, yeah, there too, but mostly with afterburner. You know, you can see the little white thing there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but you can see where I got it plugged in right there. You see the little white thing right there? I can't put my hand there, but y'all see it. And that's why I got it plugged in there. So now I can control the fan speed of it now. I can crank it up to 100%. Before I couldn't do that, but now I can. So yeah, that's it, man. I just want to show y'all that. Oh, I might even see, can I run the little, I don't know what kind of difference it's going to make. They keep saying afterburn. I already got afterburner 4.6. I got 4.6 beta, 16. Why they keep asking me that? I have no idea why. I just want to show y'all something right quick. I'm gonna go back. What is this? No. What? What in the hell? Why am I able to clock it? Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, let me open Heavy Benchmark right quick, just to see a little bit here. By the way, y'all, I'm on my cell phone doing the recording, so yeah, I'm not using the camera. Well, I'll grab a card 31. Well, I ain't put a load on it yet. That's where it's sitting at, 31 degrees. Let's run the benchmark right quick. Okay, 39 degrees. Y'all can see that. at 40. I want to see how hot it get in about 10 minutes from now. Then again, I do got push pull, so that may have something to do with it too. I forgot to add push pull configuration. Whoa, what was that? Did something fall? I think it did, y'all. Not sure. What was that noise? I heard something like a. Oh, okay, I see. Another one of my things fell off, man. My memory heat sinks. Why they keep falling off like that? For some reason they're not staying on for some reason. That's all good. Oh, temperature at 47. Let's see how warm it get, y'all. 47, 46, 48. Probably let it go for like 10 minutes. Because I believe that's how long it takes for the cooler to get hot anyway. Right now, what, 48, 49? And keep in mind, I don't have the fan speed all the way up on it either. I didn't never do that, so I can crank the fan speed up. But I didn't do that, so I was at 50 degrees, 49, 50. Keep in mind though, this is the let me turn some of this music down. Music kind of loud here. Turn that down. Yep. Now y'all can hear me better. I am using a 120 rad, so it's not like I'm using a real, you know what I'm saying? I'm not using a real big rad either. It's a 120. But I got push pull. The Cracker G12 there. You know, got a little RGB going on up there and right there as well. Temperature is at, well, let's see, 51. Not bad. 51, 40, okay, 47, 51. Like it's bouncing around. Pretty much doing the same thing. 50, 51, 52. Like it's about 51, 52. And keep in mind, this is out of the box, so I didn't apply overclock to it. So who knows what to do with the overclock on it? They're just out of the box performance here. So yeah, 1845. Supposed to be like 1875, but that's it's all good. Like the 51, 52. But the benchmark about over it anyway. Let y'all see my score I got here before I call it quits. Temperature still at 51. Let y'all see my score here. You see the temperature, what, 52, 51, 52. Core clock, 2080. See my score I got here. What I got? 135, I'm a 136. Max of 273, minimum 25, score 33,423. What was the settings? 19 by 20, 1080, okay, 8-time widow, ultra screen, wow. And I still got 135, that's pretty damn good. Y'all see that? 135, 136, 19 by 2080, 8 times, anti-Edison, ultra quality with your screen installation. 53 degrees, not bad. Like I said, it's just the 120, it's nothing fancy. You know what I'm saying? Plus, I had this cooler a long time, so it's still holding up pretty good. So yeah, that's when I let y'all know I bought another VGA. well, not another, my first VGA fan adapter for the graphics card. Because they don't, when you buy the Kraken, they don't supply you with one, so you got to buy your own for yourself. Which I can pay about $7, $8 for it off Amazon. It wasn't that bad. So now I can control my fan right here from the Kraken. You know, I control it through Afterburner. I can turn it to 100% and whatever, how I want to keep it at. Try to keep things VRM is pretty cool. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I just want to show y'all that. That's all. What I got, my little VGA adapter. Yeah, that's my score again. I can see that, and 53 degrees. All right, let me get out of here, y'all. To the next one. See y'all.